how to redeem your Discord Nitro code. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Nitro code or how you can redeem your Discord Nitro code. Now, the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you'll have to know is the option isn't available on the app. So what you want to do is you want to head into your browser on your device. On your phone, if you want to do it, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser, any browser, and you want to search in for discord.com/login. So type in discord.com/login and then simply search for it. Once you do so, you'll be headed into the browser version of Discord here. So what you want to do is you want to first log into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner that you can see. The top left, you can see the three horizontal line or the hamburger icon. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, at the bottom right, you can see the settings or the gear icon. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get these options. Down below under billing settings, you can see the gift inventory option. So you want to tap on gift inventory and you can see received a code for Nitro or a game. That's exciting. Enter it below. So you want to tap on it and here you want to enter it your code and then tap on redeem and your code will be redeemed. So this way you can redeem your Discord Nitro code or the Discord code. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.